As dusk settles gently over the sprawling fields and picturesque farmlands, a remarkable transformation takes place. Dark shapes begin to rise against the backdrop of the fading sunlight, their figures flickering like shadows on the canvas of the evening sky. Thousands of bats unfurl their wings, spiraling gracefully into the encroaching night, their movements characterized by an almost surreal silence, a stark contrast to the chaos they will unleash on the insect world. This nightly exodus signals the commencement of their tireless hunt, a vital ritual that plays an essential role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Farmers, particularly those in the rural expanse of Texas, have become keen observers of these nocturnal creatures. They recognize the signs that indicate the presence of these flying mammals: reduced pest populations, flourishing crops, and, importantly, significantly lower pesticide bills. The relationship between the agricultural landscape and these unexpected allies reveals itself in the stark contrast between fields rich with life and the barren expanses that suffer when bats are absent. Eyewitnesses share stunning accounts of evenings in Texas, where, as the sun dips below the horizon, vast clouds of bats emerge from their hidden caves. The sight is so magnificent that it has been likened to swaths of smoke undulating across the sky, engulfing the landscape with waves upon waves of winged life. It is a scene both eerie and awe-inspiring that underscores the sheer scale of bat populations and their importance to the environment. Scientific research has illuminated the profound impact bats have on agriculture and public health, painting a vivid picture of their ecological role. By voraciously consuming insects, moths, beetles, and other pest, bats are estimated to save U.S. agriculture approximately $3 billion each year. This staggering sum represents the economic value of their nightly foraging escapades, as entire harvests are safeguarded against the potential devastation wrought by pest infestations. Yet, with this knowledge comes a shadow of ominous speculation. What might occur if these winged guardians were to disappear? In recent years, bat populations have faced a dire threat from white nose syndrome, a devastating fungal disease that has swept through colonies with alarming rapidity. Millions of bats have succumbed to this affliction, and with their decline, the precarious balance of agricultural ecosystems hangs in the balance. If bat populations were to collapse entirely, the repercussions would be felt widely. Soaring food costs, an alarming surge in pesticide usage, and a cascading effect that could disrupt ecosystems, leading to further instability. This reveals an unsettling paradox. The very creatures that many regard with fear, often seen as symbols of darkness, superstition, and disease, are, in fact, critical to our survival. They ensure the health of our crops and the viability of our food systems, working quietly and diligently in the shadows, while we remain largely unaware of their contributions. This awareness prompts a larger, more profound question to surface. If we persist in underestimating and failing to recognize the vital role of bats, our unseen allies, how blind are we to the myriad other hidden entities that sustain our world? What other aspects of nature do we overlook, taking for granted the intricate web of life that supports our existence? As we grapple with these questions, it becomes imperative to foster a deeper appreciation for the often invisible ecosystems that thrive around us, and to take action to protect them before it is too late.